see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause and as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today is Uwian time. Today is Thursday, March 3. Uwian na tayo, guys. Nakaligo na ako and si Jan naglilinis na dun sa kitchen. Pero nakapaghugas na rin ako dun. Tinatapon niya lang yung mga basura. Yung dapat itapon. Ito pala, nakapag ano na ako, guys. Nakapag toner na tayo. Ito yung Chinonix ng Caris. And ito yung ating moisturizer, yung Medica Suicide. Yes, Medica Suicide Cica Cream. Si Holly tulog pa. Yung mga boys, naghihintay na sila. Ininit ko sa oven yung tirang garlic bread. Kasi gusto ko yun eh. Ginigising na, hindi pa. Para ko ginigising na din si Holly. Hindi pa naman. Hindi ko lang kung maririnig ako. Malakas kasi yung exhaust dito eh. Maingay. Kapag kilay na ako, guys. Inuuna ko sa lahat ay kilay. So, tapos ko maligo. After ko mag-toner, kilay agad. Then, yung aking sunscreen ay eto yung Innisfree. Ang bilis lang, no? Ang bilis lang. Uwian na agad. Nag-extend pa kami niya ng 1 day, ha? Okay, next. Siyempre, yung aking favorite na lights, camera, action na Super Face. Sa Caris din to, guys. Pag gusto nyo lang, i-leave ko yung link down the description box. Mayroon itong SPF 50++. Kung naglalagay pa akong sunscreen, pag aalala ko, pag itong ginagamit ko. Kasi pwede naman na hindi maglagay, pero mas okay pa din yung naglalagay kayo ng sunscreen. Pero kung wala kayo at nakalimutan nyo, pag ito yung ginamit nyo, okay lang. Kasi may SPF na siya. Dewy-dewy lang yung look niya. Ubus na ito. Mag-order ako kasi ito na yung last ko, guys. Last na yan. Mag-order ako yan. Okay. And ilalagay ko sa aking cheeks ay yung Sunny's Face, yung Rust ang kanyang shade. Ginigising na ni dyan si Holly. Naamoy ko na yung garlic bread. Buti na lang nagdala ako ng extra clothes. Kasi hindi naman expect na mag-extend kami na 1 day. Pero nagdadala naman talaga akong extra. Lalo na si Holly, madami siyang extra. Pwede pa yan si Holly magstay dito ng 1 week. Hi, Papa. Good morning. Ayan.
Mommy,
Yes?
can I pick what kind of clothes I want?
Yeah, it's already there, Baba. Niready ko na yung damit mo dyan. And, eto ulit. It has yung fixing tint na soft walnut. Yes. You don't want that one? What do you want? Ginawa ko lang t-shirt. Kasi uwian na. Ayan, okay na. Okay, we're good. Hindi ko alam kung mag-blower pa ako. Hindi na siguro mag-blower, no? Itali ko na lang ito. Okay. Ayan, naghahanap siya. Marami pa kasi siya ditong damit. Ayan, puno pa to ng damit. Which one you wanna wear? That one. We're just going home, Baba. Save that for another holiday. How about wear that t-shirt and these shorts? Because you might go to the playground. We don't know. Gusto niya talaga mag-dress. You don't need to wear dress, Baba, because we're just sitting in the car. Diba? Ang dami niyang damit pa. Come on. You don't need dress, Baba. Just this one. Shorts and t-shirt. Because, you know what? When you go to the park, if you're gonna slide, you're gonna ruin your dress. Remember the other one? Okay, just wear this one. Oh. The shorts and the t-shirt. How about that one? That's nice. That red. No, the red. The sleeveless. The red one. This one. And this black shorts. Nice. Okay? Okay. Bahala ka dyan. Magligpit na ako. Guys, nasunog yung garlic bread. Na-toast siya. Ayan, okay lang yan. Crunchy na siya. Ayan, tapos ko na siyang bihisan and hindi siya nag-dress, guys. Pero nagputi naman siya. Lagay niya na yun sa car. Ako, eto. Ligpit na ang mga to kasi tapos na sila mag-toothbrush. Okay na ito. Lagay na natin ito sa car. And yung malaking boat, tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang laki nitong boat na to. What? I think that's the last one, huh?
What's that? Grab that wine bottles.
Yeah, teacher. Sila, uwi na rin sila yung red boat. Ito, kararating lang nito kahapon, di ba? Alis na tayo, guys. Ayan na yung boat na malaki, guys. Oh. We're going. Bye. Ryan Mark, see you next year. See you next year. Uwian na yung iba din. Ayan, yung mga nag-tent. Uwian na rin sila.
Pulled out. Cool, like.
Oh, you miss niya raw tong water park.
It's not even
See you next year, water park.
I miss you, Paul.
Meron silang super-duper from their friends. Check out na rin sila, pero done muna sila ng Adelaide for one night. Sila Logan. And check out tayo, then ipapasave natin yung ating room for next year. This time, 5 days. 4 nights and 5 days. Ayun na si Jan. Ayan na si Jan, and andun yung mga bata. Oh. Kumakain pa rin sila ng super-duper. Diyan, marami na siyang friends dito. Hindi pa nag-record. Okay. See ya. They're staying for a long time, right, Ann? What? They're staying for another days.
Yeah, they're going every year. They
Extended a little bit. We're booked, guys. We're booked for another. Oh, not for another. Next year for 5 days and 4 nights. What's that?
Don't get too much. We can only get enough to fit in the bloody.
No, I'm gonna have mine.
Dito kami sa ano, punta kami dito sa fruit and veg.
We'll just get some apples and a bit of grape or something.
Yeah, walang space yung likod namin, guys. Punong-puno na naman. Are you coming? Yeah, you're coming.
I'm not.
Oh, you're not coming, Sak? Okay.
I just want an apple.
Okay.
It says cucumber. Get cucumber.
Cucumber? Tayo guys. Mawala na sila. Ano? Parang gusto ko to, dried mangoes. Try natin to. Yeah. Kuha na si Jan ng green apple. Si Kuya kumain ng red.
Green apples?
Yeah.
They got what they call.
Pear.
Don't drop them.
Don't drop it, love. Meron silang yogurt and apricot. Kuha tayo nito. And etong bullets. Raspberry bullets. Masarap to. That one. Share it with the boys, okay?
I will.
Okay, thank
Oh,
you.
what's this blue one? I don't want to
You don't like the dry? I thought you like it. Yeah. Oh yeah, cucumber. Zachary wants cucumber. Eto na kasi malinis na to. Etong na. No, because it's not wash hand. It's alright. He can cut it into two. No.
The peaches are washed.
Yeah.
Look, they're wet.
I know it's not. It's no. I know it's all fresh.
No.
Kasi dyan ang bananas. Sa curryhan. Yeah, apricot, dried apricot. This is peach. This is peach, hon. Dried peach.
What?
Dried peach.
Yeah, there's the open.
I like this one. Oh. Where? Yeah, I got mangoes. I got mangoes. I want this one. Can you get this one?
What's that?
Sultanas. I like that one. Ito ko tayo nito. Ang laki nung ano, yung tawag noon, yung apricot. Wala silang maliit lang. Ito na lang. Blood plums. Huh? Kuya, oh. Blood plums, please. Oh, your favorite, huh? Peach. Gusto yan ni Johnny Boy. Yeah, I know, hon. Love. I have that one. Yeah, get that one. So, eto medyo, ano, eto 500 grams. Oh. Nakarap akong 500 grams na apricot. Allah, we don't have space.
What's that, mate?
I don't think that we have space.
Yeah, we will.
No?
It's alright.
Okay, just on the cup.
Yes.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you.
Do you think you can carry, yeah? I'll bring this one. Okay. Let Kuya carry it. Oh, come on, Holly. Let Kuya. You're right?
You want me to carry it?
You got it? Are you sure? Thank you, Holly. What happened? How did she know your number?
I'll give it to her last night.
No,
Okay.
Back me car though.
Okay. Sorry. So I thought we don't have space on. Yeah, we got the angle.
Start passing to me, right?
Okay, here.
cucumbers.
Oh, here. Watch. Yes. We.
Hold it down.
Here, hon. Good. Oh, yes.
My lamb.
Humingi na siya kay Holly ng lollies. And si Kuya, tingnan nyo, kinain niya. What's that? Yeah, peach?
Police.
Baba.
What's that one? Peach? Zach, did you eat the cucumber? There's a
Holly,
cucumber. Si Holly lollies, unhealthy. Yung dalawa healthy. Yung akin, tingnan nyo guys. Nilagay ko to dito sa harap. Hindi ko to linagay sa likod.
That's not.
Kasi anytime na oops, gusto nating kumain, dito lang sila sa harapan natin. Pero ilalagay ko yan sa bag. Yung saan ko nilalagay? Yung computer bag ko. Yung computer bag. Okay lang, wait lang honey. Wait lang guys. O, diba? Lumili ko si sir. Wait lang guys. Kasi umiikot tayo. Okay. Dadaanan natin yung big orange. Ayan guys. Papunta natin dito, hindi natin siya nakita kasi iba yung dinaanan natin. Medyo mahaba-haba na yung drive natin guys. And
I reckon that one, TJ.
kumain na ako ng sultanas. Sobrang sarap niya, ang tamis niya. And then, sa dami na nakain ko, parang hindi siya nababawasan. Nandun siya sa bag. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo.
Remember that pit of roast
Then,
you say when we
time check is 12:19.
do that up, bub?
What time we left, Han? 10?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think.
10:20? 9:30? 9:30 kasi yung check out is 10 o'clock. So siguro mga 9:30 kami nag-check out. Then nakain tayo ng lunch sa Keith Chicken. Si Sak nakatulog, si Kuya sila nakatulog. Ay, si Kuya hindi pala nakatulog. You haven't have a nap yet, yeah? Apple lang siya. Apple. How many apples did you have? Ha? 2? Ayaw niya matulog. Kasi raw yung nose niya barado. Dito kami guys sa Centenar. Nagpagas lang si Jan. Hindi ka ayan si Jan. And si Kuya kumain ng food. Ayan si Kuya, what did you get, yeah?
I got mocha dog.
Mocha dog. How about you? Dim sim? You don't want baba? Don't want? Just 2.
She's having some.
Yeah, we're gonna have chicken in we're going.
Chicken, guys.
What?
You can have some of my dim sum because I don't think I will eat all that.
Okay, right. Oh, just finish that one first.
Yeah.
Kasi kakain tayo sa Keith. We're gonna eat at Keith.
I'm still eating at cake though.
Oh, tamo. Si Kuya talaga. Wala kasi yan siya kumain.
I don't want to eat at cake.
Alright, Ollie. Good, yeah?
You never said there was mocha dog. Only one minute.
And si Daddy, may coffee na rin
They're
siya.
not like Allendale's. Allendale's way better.
Way better in Allendale daw.
Oh,
Good? All good?
yeah. That would be.
Dito na tayo guys sa Keith.
I don't want anything from King.
Alright, that's good. What do you want?
Sushiana.
Sushiana, okay.
I don't want anything.
Alright, yeah. Sobrang init guys. Saka kami kakain. Si Sak, corn jack, si
Here we
Kuya.
I don't want to cool down.
Si Kuya. You said you want that one. You're the one ordered that one.
Well, what
I
you
did-
got?
I
She
had-
hadn't got sway bars.
May kita si Jenna Caravan.
want
Si Kuya ayaw. Kumuha ko ng...
That's like ours.
Yung dami kong tissue. Kumuha ko ng maraming tissue.
Have a drumstick.
Drumstick? Oh, okay.
No, did you get some?
Yeah, he sits down the back, so he's
Yeah, why?
good.
Yeah.
Fast look.
Yeah, it's like this. Excited na siya sa caravan namin, guys.
Chicken breast? Is it?
No, I didn't get chicken breast here.
Imagine how hot he's going.
It's so hot. Ayan, bargain box. We're back sa bargain box.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yan guys. So, kain kami sa car. Tapos may chips, drinks, and kay Jan eto,
I want a cool one.
ham sandwich. Okay. Back to road.
Mom, I
Kain tayo sa road. Kain tayo sa road. Init. Sobrang init guys. Saka kami kakain. Si Sak, corn jack, si
Here we
Kuya.
don't want to cool down.
Si Kuya. You said you want that one. You're the one ordered that one.
Well, what you
I
got? She
had-
hadn't got sway bars.
May kita si Jenna Caravan.
want
Si Kuya ayaw. Kumuha ko ng...
That's like ours.
Yung dami kong tissue. Kumuha ko ng maraming tissue.
Have a drumstick.
Drumstick? Oh, okay.
No, did you get some?
Yeah, he sits down the back, so he's
Yeah, why?
good.
Yeah.
Fast look.
Yeah, it's like this.
Mom,
Excited na siya sa caravan namin, guys.
chicken breast? Is it?
No, I didn't get chicken breast here.
Imagine how hot he's going.
It's so hot. Ayan, bargain box. We're back sa bargain box.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yan guys. So, kain kami sa car. Tapos may chips, drinks, and kay Jan eto,
I want a cool one.
ham sandwich. Okay. Back to road.
Mom, I
Kain tayo sa road. Kain tayo sa road. Init. Yung tissue pinold ko kasi si Jen, wala na siyang tissue dito. Meron siya ang... meron mo pala. Isa na lang. idagdag natin dyan. Meron siyang wipes, pero tissue kailangan niya din dito sa car. So, ayan. Okay, so kain muna kami guys. Si Jan kumakain na.
Yeah. That was nice.
Middle of the road, there's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine, I minded my own business till the day.
Guys, bahay na kami. Ano na? 4:38. Hindi ako masyadong kapag-vlog kasi natulog lang kami. Natulog lang ako and then yung mga bata. Then after nila ako naman yung natulog. So binababa lang yung mga gamit. Dito kayo dumadaan sa harapan kasi gamit namin yung car ni Jan. Yung car ko diba nasa garage. So hindi kami hindi kayo makakadaan doon. Tingnan nyo. Come on, Papa! Help, help, help! Ayan si Johnny Boy. Come on. Help, Mommy.
That's the glass.
Ah, yeah. This is heavy. I'll get this one.
Oh, did they take this?
So, ito yung mga fruits na nabili natin sa Renmark. Meron pa dito. Hala, yung mangga. Ipailalim ko yung mga bag. Kasi ito okay pa naman to. Itong banana. Malapit na siya. Okay, just put it in the kitchen, Kuya, please. Thank you. So, ayan na yung mga fruits. Yung banana, hindi ko nilagay sa ibabaw kasi yung ating peaches, ayan, malambot sila. So, baka magka-dent. Yes? Nurofen, okay. Kasi masakit ang ulo niya. So, painumin ko siya ng Nurofen. Okay. Okay, drink water please, oh. And ito, ilalagay din natin to sa fridge. Bumili si Jan ulit ng ito yung nasa jar na peach. Gusto to ni Jan, lalo nasa ice cream. Ganyan ko to sa fridge. And may dala pa kaming chicken, guys. So, ito na yung dinner, chicken.
Mama, having any.
Magluto na ako ng rice, guys. And ito, mayroon tayong dalang sausages from the cabin. From the cabin. Sa Renmark. So, yung mga bata, gusto raw nila sausages. So, sabi ko, sige. Ako na lang mag-chicken. So, magluto muna tayong rice. Okay. Pala yung mga dried fruits din pala, guys. Ito yung sultanas na kinain ko na madami na akong nakain pero parang hindi siya nabawasan. So, etong tatlo, yung blood plums, mangoes, and apricot, hindi pa yan nabawasan, guys. And eto yung nuts, hindi pa rin. And eto rin hindi pa. Eto, ayan. Kalahati na siya. Dito ko muna sila ilagay. And yung mga bata, pinapara po sa kanila yung mga uniforms nila para labhan ko ngayon. Maglaba ako, guys. So, ayan yung mga nabili natin sa Renmark. Ito rin pala binili to ni Jen dun sa fruit and veg. And eto. Si Holly ang kumuha niyan. All good, yeah?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. Sila naglalagay sa washing machine ng mga uniforms nila. Yeah, painumin ko rin si Kuya ng Nurofen. Niluluto ko na yung sausages.
Your back hurt.
Your what?
Your back.
Alright.
I landed on Joey's leg.
Joey?
Yeah. The little one.
The boat?
Yeah. I landed on
did he
because
cry?
No. They all fell off at the same time.
Drink a lot salt water, please.
Mom, I want some today.
News yan, news. Ayan na yung ating sausages. Babalik ko yung mga natin ito. So, luto na yung sausages. So, anytime pwede silang kumain. Ah, hindi pa pala. Yung rice, 19 minutes pa. So, i-on ko lang yung washing machine. Kumakain na pala sila, guys. Ito yung vitamins ko. Ayan. Ubos yung sausages, guys. Si Sak nakatatlo, si Kuya dalawa, si Holly isa, kay Johnny isa. Na ako sa aking workplace, guys. Mag-edit muna ako. Yung mga bata, tapos na kumain. Si Jan, tapos na. Yung aking nilalaba, hindi pa tapos. So, mag-edit muna tayo. Nakaligo na siya, guys.
Just had shower.
Yeah, it's just
How's your AirPods?
my AirPods. Good.
Here?
We can't hear anything yet.
I know Kobe has some.
This one.
Yeah. He
Yeah.
has the same. He works.
Is Holly done having a shower?
No, she's not having. She's turning the tap on because the water's going weak.
Dad is fixing it. Ah, okay. All right. Is TJ done having a shower?
Yeah.
Or only Holly?
I use the coconut.
The coconut.
No, not
So
the
no, the mango. You like it?
and buttery stuff.
Yeah. No, it smells good. You like it?
I can barely smell anything.
Okay, mag-edit na tayo, guys. Di pa ako tapos. Nag-transfer pa ako ng ibang mga files. Pero may nasimulan na ako. Ayan, oh. Okay, edit muna tayo. Time check, 8:05, guys. And nakapag-edit na ako. Tapos na ako mag-edit. So, makakapag-invoice ako. Makakapag-invoice ako kahit ilan lang ba. Hindi naman lahat. Pero at least meron akong may invoice today. Tonight. Ano ba? Kasi dapat ang invoicing ko ay Friday. Pero kinaya ko naman kasi nakapaglaban na ako. Nakapagluto tayong dinner. Kasi sinabi ko dun sa last na live selling na invoice ko sila sa Friday or Saturday. Pero nagawa ko naman lahat ng dapat gawin sa bahay. So, may time pa ako mag-invoice pero hindi tayo magpapagabi. So, yun guys. Guruan ko na yung vlog. Kakain na ako ng kanin tapos rice. Kanin. Gutom na ako guys. Kanin tsaka yung tirang chicken. So, eto na yung last vlog sa aking birthday vlog. So, i-insert ko, after nito, insert ko na siguro yung late vlogs ko for February, guys. Panoorin nyo yun kasi may kita nyo dun yung struggle ko nung nag-start ako. Itong nakikita nyo ngayon, okay na to eh. Medyo okay na to. May kita nyo yung pinakauna kong live selling, tapos yung mga sumunod. May kita nyo dun yung progress ng aking little business, guys. So, kaya dapat panoorin nyo kasi basta, panoorin nyo yun. Sana panoorin nyo kahit late, okay? Thank you sa unawa nyo, guys. So, end ko na yung vlog. Nagligo na yung mga bata. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Thank you, guys, sa mga nag-mine. Mga nag-mine ng aking mga damit. Thank you. At sa mga supporta nyo at sa aking mga kaibigan, aking mga sisis. Thank you. So, yun na, guys. So, after nito, insert ko na yung mga late vlogs. So, thank you guys. Good night.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.